Hi, myself Shreyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Today, I came up with the topic of customize the list of recently used files. This topic is small but very useful. Suppose you have worked on one data for whole day in office and at the end of the day you save it in hurry and left home. Next day you again want to work on the same sheet but you forgot where you save it. This time this recent list will help you to get that data. Okay, so now we will learn how to customize the list of recently used files. Just follow the step. Here in this Excel sheet, you will see in left hand corner there is a file tab. Just click on it. Then just click option. Then advanced. In advanced, just scroll it. In display section, you will see show this number of recent workbook. Here you can adjust the number. Means here you need to decide how many workbooks you want to see for quick reference. Accordingly, set the number. Here I set 2 to show 2 recent workbooks. Just check the result. 1 and 2. Now I have set 4 to show 4 recent workbooks. Here is the result 1, 2, 3, 4. This means now I am getting 4 recent workbooks. This is how you can adjust the list. Let's move to next topic. How to pin and unpin the file. What is to pin the file? It's a trick or shortcut to find the file quickly, which you use more often from the list of recently used files. When you pin a particular file, then you will able to see that file in list, no matter how many other files you open. See, when you hover over a file, you will see a pin. Just click on it. Okay, then once you click, the pin will turn vertical. Means now file got pinned. Now this file will always stay accessible. This is how you can pin your file for quick reference. Next, unpin the file. To unpin the file, you need to just click on the vertical pin. The pin file will get unpinned and you will see normal list of recently used file. See, this is vertical pin. When we click on it, you will get normal look. This is how you can pin and unpin your file. I hope you have understood the topic. In case of any query, please write in comment box. To get more video on Excel, just keep watching my channel. If you like my video, just hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Thank you.